Good morning, Wackadoodle family. It's Pastor Tim, and I've got some breaking news for you. We, in quote, we will go to war, end quote. China issues stark warning to U.S. and Taiwan. Taiwan has put troops to defensive positions around the country, and they've mobilized anti-aircraft weapons to all airports. They've also accepted 2 THAAD systems from the U.S. This is stark warning from China to the U.S. and Taiwan. That, with the tensions that I reported in the Philippines, the president announcing the other day that China is governing, has positions in the South China Sea. Brothers and sisters, this will be a brief video. I'm bringing you news. I've been talking about the alliance of China and Russia. We are so close. We are so close to all-out war. You've got what's going on with Iran in the Middle East. You know that Iran and look at who the kingpin is here. Look at who's in the center of all this. You've got China and Russia. You have Iran and Russia. I've been saying for years, watch Russia, watch Russia. So, brothers and sisters, so much tension in the world. I'm just bringing you the news from my intel sources. This is not from other sources. This comes from my intel, my primary intel source. I appreciate those sources. This source has been 100% correct. Now, I'm not saying that this is absolute, neither is my source, but my source is saying this is a stark warning and a serious warning. So, could something happen? You bet it could. Will it? Not sure. We'll have to wait and see. But I'm just bringing you the geopolitical, what's going on, real-time breaking news that shows us how close we are, because we see the dominoes are stacked, they're wobbling, the stage is set, and soon, something is about to break loose. Not only that, tomorrow we go in to Shabbat. Tomorrow midday for us, or early, will be Shabbat starting in Israel, and there's tensions already brewing. Will we see activity from Hamas, activity from Hezbollah and Iran, preemptive action from Israel? We'll have to wait and see. But brothers and sisters, I just wanted to bring you that breaking news, and I want to give you a blessing, and then I've got a message that I want to bring, but you'll have to wait for that video here shortly. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May his countenance be lifted on you, and his shalom, his peace, perfect, whole, complete, nothing lacking, nothing missing, be yours. In the name of Yeshua HaMashiach, in Jesus' name, I pray and I bless you. God bless you guys. Listen, if you like getting the news, and often it's before it's breaking other places, sometimes it's as it's coming out in other mediums, subscribe, share the channel. I try to bring the geopolitical. I have intel sources, a primary intel source, and I love this individual so very much and appreciate this individual. I would die before I exposed those sources. And usually it could be later that day, it could be a week later, 2 weeks. In some cases, it was 2 months later. What the intel source has given us, or intel sources have given us, has come out in other alternate media sources or even mainline media sources. So I often see some of you send me links to others who are reporting, and often that goes back a month, 2 months, 3 months, that has already occurred, and it's just beginning to break. So we're very appreciative. Please remember to pray for those intel sources, for their protection and safety, because they're part of this channel family as well. And you know who you are, that source. You are dearly loved and prayed for, you and your family, all the time. Well, stay tuned. I've got a message that's just really, I was praying last night, and it just brewing in me. You know, sometimes you just meditate on those words. So anyway, love you, brothers and sisters. Have an awesome day.